Hi everyone, it's Teacher Sabrina. I'm so glad you're here today. My friends, today we're going to learn how to sign numbers 1 through 10 in sign language. Yay! I love learning ASL. My friends, if you're new to my channel, welcome. We're so glad to have you. If you could please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. That way you can see all of my videos when they're released. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Now let's get started and learn some sign language. Awesome. So for learning our numbers, we're going to learn numbers 1 through 10 today. Now, number 1 starts off pretty simple. It's actually just your index finger like this. So hold it up, and that is the number 1. Can everyone practice for me? Awesome. Very good. We got the number 1. Awesome. Now number 2, also very simple. We're just going to add our middle finger to that. So that is the number 2 in sign language. Can everyone practice for me? Awesome. So we got 1, 2. Now let's add number 3. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it this? No, actually. So in sign language for the number 3, we use our thumb. So this is the sign for 3 in sign language. So we have 1, 2, 3. Add our thumb. Perfect. Great job, everyone. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky, so don't forget, for number 4, we're going to actually switch it over. So it's going to be these 4. Perfect. Y'all got that? There we go. So we're going to switch our fingers. So instead of 3, we're going to switch it over to 4. Very good. You got it. This is the number 4. Perfect. Now for 5, we're just going to add our thumb. There we go. Great job, everybody. Now let's practice 1 through 5. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great job. 4 and 5. Very good. Awesome. Now let's do number 6. So number 6, what we're going to do is we're going to take our pinky, our smallest finger, with our thumb. That's kind of how I remember, because when I was little, I used to get mixed up, is 6 this one or this one? But just think 6 is smaller than like 9 or a bigger number. So we're going to start here for 6, okay? So you're just going to tap your thumb and your pinky finger together, and that is the number 6. Perfect. Let me see, everybody. Great job. Very good. Okay, now number 7 is just we're going to tap our thumb with our ring finger. Perfect. Y'all got it. This is number 7. And then for 8, we're going to do thumb and the middle finger. That is number 8. Perfect. And then for 9, we're going to do our index finger and our thumb down. Perfect. There we go. And then 10 is actually a really fun one. So 10, you're just going to do like a thumbs up. Perfect. We did them all. Great job. This is number 10. Very good, everyone. Okay, now let's practice 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 together that we just learned. Okay, ready? So we're going to do thumb to pinky. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Awesome job. Okay, now can we put all of those numbers together and sign 1 through 10? Yay! Okay, my friends, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Great job, everyone. Y'all did it. Y'all signed 1 through 10 in sign language. I love it. Now let's go one more time a little bit faster. Okay, are y'all ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Great job, everyone. Wow, y'all are so good at sign language. I love it. I love signing my numbers in sign language. Very good. Awesome. Okay, well, my friends, that was our class for today. If you would like to learn more sign language with me, Teacher Sabrina, I actually have several sign language videos. I've been learning sign language since I was about 5 or 6 years old, so I was really little, and I took classes all throughout high school, so I love sign language so much. I have a ABC sign language class if you would like to learn how to fingerspell and do the alphabet alphabet, I can teach you that. Also, I have a 20 words in sign language class where I teach you just some of the kind of beginner words, kind of fun words too. So yeah, check those out if you'd like. I also have several songs in sign language. Part of why I loved sign language so much is I grew up learning it in church, and so I would sign lots of Christian songs in sign language, and so that was really fun. So I love learning sign through song. So yeah, that's really fun. If that's something you're interested in, please give this video a like so that way I know that you like sign language, and I'll make some more sign language videos. Thank you so much, my friends. I hope everyone has a great summer, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone. See you next time.